market. It's Sunday morning, and we're going on the bike. See you soon.
Mainly Europe. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah. Lots of hard work today.
I just want to clean off the bands and organize it so hopefully drive home. Sticking on the roof. Took some of the bigger stuff home yesterday. We had over 3,000 people here yesterday.
Really?
In the rain.
In the rain? Well, you'll have more today.
$10 a head times 3,000. That's $30,000.
They can fill in the potholes with that.
They were trying to fill them in today. They just keep coming.
I feel like utensils could fit in it, but I don't know if I'll use it. That's so cool. I got the keys. My big birthday.
Oh yeah,
It's done.
Andrew. Let's see it.
Oh, that's a nice one, eh?
Yeah.
I found them. And it's 3 years of my time.
No, there's two.
Oh, it is too. That's cute. I like that.
Drive a lot, so a lot of miles. Hello, Adam.
All right, we're back from Aberfoyle. I didn't get very much. Of course, we were on the bike, so it's kind of difficult. I had some ephemera here. So this is from the 40s. Canada's to have 1 million more sheep by 1943. Every useful ewe and every good ewe lamb, particularly the early ones, should be saved for the owner's flock or sold to someone who wishes to increase his holding or start a new flock. This is something to do with wool growers. And this is the Canadian Cooperative Wool Growers from 1942. So I paid $10 for that. He wanted... No, I paid $5 for that. He wanted $10 and I said, nope. So I paid $5 for those 3 pieces. These were kind of neat. He wanted $6 for the 3 of them each, and I paid $8 instead of $18. So these look like they date to the 20s or 30s. So they are these little magazines. They're British. These bags feel filthy. Blech. And I thought the covers were so cool. And there's advertisements in it, but it's sort of a romance. So really, I bought these for the covers rather than anything else. So these will be becoming junk journals at some point. This one's a little more papery. Anyway, so I paid $8 for those 3. This little box is gorgeous. And inside, look at the paper doily. He wanted 15. I paid 10. Ugh, it's got hair in it. But I thought the paper doily was adorable. So this box lid will be becoming a journal. And then I got these 2 books. This one was $3. I thought that was a good cover. It needs a little bit of help, but this is really, really thin paper. So that will become a journal. This one was $5. And I thought, what a great cover. And it doesn't even smell funny. No date. Nope. Maybe I can look it up and find out if if there's more information. The end. So that was pretty much all I got today. So thanks for joining me. We'll talk to you again soon.